If you look smart, you feel good, then it helps you perform better. I want to help apprentices build a better future. Trade changed my life, and now I use it to change other people's. Grew up on a council estate. We moved into a property. There was a leak, so we got a plumber around who said, yeah, it's a leak in the loft, we'll sort it out. Days later, we had a huge flood, which flooded the whole property. So what that meant was, there was about 6 of us, 7 of us, in a 1-bedroom flat. In the summer months, the kitchen floor was my bedroom, and in the winter months, I used to sleep in the cupboard because the kitchen was just too cold. My mum was broken by the situation. My biggest fear is to end up back where I started. I wanted to become a plumber to protect my family and protect those from experiencing such a traumatic, crazy situation. As a business owner, any engineer I take on board, I make it clear to them that we have a duty of care. The plumbing and heating industry could be improved by having more accessibility, more professionalism, and more trust. I mentored Kamal from when he was 19. He's very open, he's very positive. I think he's great. I think he's inspirational. I said to him that if he follows my advice, I will guarantee him an apprenticeship. The skills that I look for are a can-do, will-do attitude. I only do business with people or organisations that maintain similar values to myself. Mira actually care and want to help. My life's purpose is to have a positive impact on as many individuals as possible. And I believe that Mira can have a massive positive impact on making our industry a better place. To me, this is more than a shower installation.
Yeah. Nice one.